How to work with Azazel. Conduct the ritual on Saturday during the hour of Saturn. Draw the sigil of Azazel on a paper while chanting his Eya Onka Azazel Aken. Burn a black candle in the direction of north. Burn incense using the black candle's flame and circle the smoking incense around the sigil for 8 or 10 times while you each time chant Eya Onka Azazel Aken. State your intention to Azazel, such as, Azazel, I've called you forth to remove any blockages holding me back from embracing my true self and the reality that's truly destined for me. Showing Azazel your desired end result. Visualize yourself sitting in a chair, being in the reality you envision for yourself, and you see all your goals manifested and achieved, and envision Azazel approaching you and he says, I knew you could do it. Good job. Showing Azazel your desired state of being. Observe how it feels knowing you've grown, how you fully are your true self, living the life that's truly destined for you, and observe how it feels when Azazel congratulates you for what you have achieved. By observing this feeling, you feel the feeling itself, and Azazel reads the frequency of that feeling and can therefore better understand what you want to achieve, and it additionally sends out the energy to the universe that is required to achieve your desired end result. Now offer your offerings. Whether you have one or many offerings is up to you. Before each offering, state something like, I offer offering, for example, I offer this candle to you, Azazel. For each offering, you would repeat the step of showing Azazel your desired end result, which is the visualization, and showing Azazel your desired state of being, which is observing the feeling and therefore sending out the frequency of the feeling itself. If you're feeling like you're done, then you're done at this point. And if you feel like you should meditate further, then you do so. The meditation would consist of further visualization and observing the feeling. The meditation is totally optional, and it depends on you if you like to do it. It sometimes resonates to do the meditation, and sometimes we just feel like the ritual is done and doesn't require further meditation. So just follow your intuition. The meditation could look like this. You could tell Azazel, I am complete. Then visualize and observe the feeling of having achieved it and being congratulated by Azazel. Then you could continue saying, I am the true self. I have shed my ego. Then visualize and observe the feeling of having achieved it and being congratulated. And you could continue until you feel like you're done and you have put in all energy you want to put into the ritual. When you feel done, then thank Azazel and let the candle burn safely without being able to burn anything around it. Leave your ritual space and divert your mind from it. Go for a walk or make yourself some food. I hope you liked this video. With this video, I intend to help you to grow and easier work with Azazel. If you love this type of content, then please leave it a like and also make sure you're subscribed. I wish you great success with your ritual. If you need professional help, then please click on the link in the description and I would love to help you, and I also offer consultations to give you the right guidance. So whether you need a ritual done together with me or you need my guidance, please make sure to check out the links in the description. I wish you many blessings. It's your Anubis and I see you in the next video.